What is going on, everybody? Today we are going to take a look at Snaggletooth Tactical's Karambit setup for the Recon 1. Now, we've seen a lot of Karambits out there, and they're fairly small and somewhat easy to carry for the most part, but this takes it to a whole new level with a really full-size knife, and kind of really, in all honesty, a very straighter knife. Most of the others have a little bit of a curvature to them, such as the case of the Spartan blades. As you can see, much smaller, a little more of a curvature than a straight overall aspect to it. So the deployment on this is very interesting, as you'll see now. Now you may have not have seen, or if you probably did hear, the deployment on this. Obviously, you have to be pretty quick, and you have to grab it at a certain angle to get it to eject. But that snap of that big blade coming out is something that is really to be felt. Let me tell you, it actually, experimenting with it, it actually cut me a little bit, and so you do have to be very careful because, again, like I said, you're talking about a good size knife and a full size 4-inch blade snapping out at a very high rate, and you don't want to catch your fingers on it. So let's go ahead and take a close-up look at what we have set up. Well, I did get the limited edition orange Karambit section back here, mainly because I wanted you guys to really see how it fits in here. If it was black, it would really just not stand out as much. So I really did want to make sure that I got it in a color that you can kind of pick up a little bit of the detail of how this really fits in there. And it really does fit in there very smoothly. It's almost seamlessly. It sits a little bit lower than the handles. I don't think the camera can quite pick it up, but just a little bit more. But he did an excellent job of machining this. It lines up perfect. Everything locks up perfect. There's no interference, and we also have his Snaggletooth actual deployment mechanism, which you can get for the left or the right-handed versions for either side, so that's very good. And as you can see in the earlier deployment video, it does catch very nicely, and it goes on easy. All these components are pretty much bolt-on, work pretty easy. I do have a stubborn screw in here, which gave me a hard time. That was an issue from the factory. The handles doesn't match up with the hole. It's slightly off. It's a little bit of a manufacturing defect in this particular knife, but other than that, it was super easy to put it all together and get it set up. You can also see that there's a pretty big difference when you add that size-wise, when you add that loop in the end there, so it's going to stick out. But the good thing is about it is it's fairly subtle. If you do get the black one, it's not going to stand out as much. It's not as big and aggressive as this is on the Spartan blades version, but here you can see the size difference, and overall there's a huge size difference from how these are going to sit in your pocket for sure. But overall, it's a very cool system, pretty affordable, like I said, and you can get this commonly in black. They can get the ring in commonly in black, and sometimes like I said, these come in colors too. Your hook here can come in colors too, so definitely keep an eye open for that if you're looking for colors. If you're just looking for black, like for this version, they're pretty easy to get. They're almost always in stock. So, and you can get the same setup for like the 8010 and many other knives, I do believe, too, for Cold Steel. He does specialize in Cold Steel, so you can get pretty much anything you want, and it's pretty cool. It's very different. If you're into messing around with the whole Karambit thing, I think it's definitely a fun thing to mess around with. You have a fairly affordable knife that you're, kind of niching a little bit. Might be not something you want to carry all the time, but like I said, the ring is subtle, so even though you have about that much sticking out of your pocket. It can be kind of subtle if you get this in black, so, but overall pretty cool. Deployment works very good. Just, it's a big knife, and be careful with putting it on some of the other knives because, yeah, it's a heck of a thing to deploy. So I thought it was pretty interesting to do. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we will catch you next time. Have a great day.